Because it's a fucking bullet going through your skull. What the fuck do you think would kill you?
There's no hippopotamuses in this game, and, you know, it's a video game, so what else do you expect, you know? How fucking XP. And Counter-Strike should add rideable hippos.
I would love that.
That would be the best way to rush B.
It would cost 16K.
That would be the best addition to this game ever. Save for hippopotamus, suka.
On April 1st day, I want them to update the game with that.
They should just update the game. Because they're never gonna do a good one. They should do a good update and then fucking revoke it. Add more gloves.
They do every year. They add chickens with Christmas sweaters and take it away.
Meme. I shot, but I didn't shoot at the same time. Probably because I didn't shoot and I just clicked my caps lock button. But they're the same thing, really.
I mean, caps lock could be mouse one.
Ooh, hop graphite!
That's a good skin, right, guys?
It's shit. It's cancer.
I just watched a video.
Is that yours?
Because you should sell it, it's garbage.
It's really dumb. And a waste of time.
This guy is great. Sword.
I used to own one and I got rid of it just because it's literally pencil lead. Isn't that just the best fucking thing to put on a fucking $12,000 sniper rifle?
Yeah, it's right up.
I got a custom paint job on my $12,000 sniper rifle. Yeah, it looks like a fucking tip of a pencil from grade school. Ain't that cool, guys?
Inlet 90, but whatever, I guess you can go for your fucking montage kill. That'd be better.
Nah, man, you got that sick flick.
It'll look cooler in a video. Yeah, that was the right choice. Why would I use any of my $5,000 of utility? No, that would... Gotta get the flick, bro. Better use some of that fucking utility or I'm gonna be pissed. Wow!
Good waste of $300 on a useful item to throw it in a fucking bomb planter. Oh yeah, you're right.
Smart. he smoked T-Spawn.
No.
Why is this pencil so fucking reflective?
It's a pretty reflective pencil.
It's diffusing.
I wish my pencil fired .338 Lapua Magnum. Then again, I live in America. I should be able to own a pencil that does that.
Yep, this is true.
Everything about this guy I love.
There's a guy in there with a deagle who literally got a sprinting insta headshot on me.
Literally.
I'm actually pissed as shit right now.
There's no cock like horse cock. Send your asshole into shot. There's no cock like horse cock.
It's Viva.
What? Dick Birch with the meme. No, you guys nearly had it. Oh, you nearly had it.
Yeah.
You gotta be quicker than that.
It would have been nice for me.
Do you guys do stockings and stuff still?
Yeah, everyone does. I know most people do. Unless Andrew does.
Yeah.
Andrew
XD.
I put that in my montage phase. 5-9.
Don't shush.
What the fuck? Wait, but he's still standing right there.
Oh my gosh, what